Hello dear students, in today's class we are going to learn something about the articles here. So in the previous class, if you remember, we had seen okay, so it's a long gap here. I'll just brush up with the knowledge. We have started with the grammar, then we had moved with the letters, words, phrase, sentence, kinds of sentence, parts of speech. So I have done till here. Now we are moving on to the another concept, a very important segment of language, that is articles. Okay. So articles is quite easy if you understand it in a proper perspective. So what is an article, or how article is used in language, that will be saying in today's context. Articles, there are three articles in English language. They are a, an and the. A and an are called indefinite article. The is called the definite article. These articles are distinguished on the basis of sounds, letters that are pronounced. It is also distinguished on the basis of definite and indefinite articles. Okay. So, a and an are called indefinite article. See, a and an are called indefinite article. The is called the definite article. So, you need to remember a and an are called indefinite article. The is called definite article. So, a and an are indefinite article. The is called the definite article. I hope this is clear. Now, we will be moving on to the next slide. Here, a and an are called indefinite because you are not knowing something in a definite form. You are not knowing it in a proper way. Okay. You are not knowing it absolutely what it is all about. So, it is called as a or an. For example, a boy. You are not definite the name of the boy. You are not knowing the name of the boy. Then you may call as a boy or an boy. An boy is never called because an is an word that is used in front of a vowel, whereas a is a word that is used in front of the consonants. So a boy is okay, but we never tell an boy. We tell an elephant. Elephant is a vowel sound, isn't it? So the letter E pronunciation, though there is E pronunciation, letter, E letter is there, pronunciation is not pronounced as E, it is pronounced as A. So it is called as an elephant. We'll be seeing the examples later on. I hope this thing is quite clear for you. A is used for consonant sounds, N is used for the vowel sounds. The same thing I have mentioned here. However, A and N are used for indefinite article. The is used as definite article. Then rules for articles I have just written. Just see these rules. One more thing I want to make it quite clear. A is used for consonant sounds. Okay, N is used for vowel sounds. I hope this is clear. Now, these two are used in form of singulars only. They are not used for plural forms. Okay, I have given some instructions here. Just you may have a look at it. A and an are used in the case of someone who we do not know. Who we do not know. If it is indefinite, hence it is called as indefinite article. On the contrary, if we are definite of someone, it is addressed as the. Definite means it is addressed as the. To make it familiarize. So, a and an are definite. Okay, indefinite article. The is the definite article. Now, there are certain rules to follow. The first rules is, see, a and an are used for singular countable nouns. It means one object we are referring to. For example, countable nouns that we can name, okay, and we can count it. So, singular is the countable noun here. For singular forms only we are supposed to use a or an. Okay, so the first rule is, for the singular countable noun we are supposed to use, for example, a boy, an apple, an elephant. So one, if it is one or singular, we are supposed to use this as a or an. A is used for the consonant sounds. Sounds. You need to give importance for the sounds rather than letters. Whereas an is used for the vowel sounds. Vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. Based on that letter, sounds have been produced. These are used for the first time. We introduce some object. Okay. So when we introduce some object, these are used. For example, dash house, a house, dash boy, a boy, dash elephant, an elephant. In a similar way, it is used to specify something indefinite or simply means one object in general. It means one object in general. So, in as a gist of everything, the summary of this is a and an are used for singular forms. I hope this is quite clear. A is used for consonant sounds, an is used for the vowel sounds. Okay, next. Here, the can also be used for these examples. Okay. See, wherever you use singular nouns and singular like a and an, the can also be used in the same way. A boy can also be called the boy. But the condition is in a boy you are not knowing that particular boy. But in the boy you will be knowing whom you are addressing to. Okay, you are familiar with that person. Only then when it becomes definite you are using the. Okay, so here are certain rules to be followed. The is used for both singular and plural nouns if it is definite in nature. It is used for things in particular or definite. The is used for the following in particular. So, the is used for the following. A or an never comes in these cases. See, in third point I have written 1, 2, 3 Roman numbers, small Roman numbers, isn't it? In this you have to pay attention for the names of the mountain, for the names of the river, for the names of the seas, for the names of the oceans, for the names of the newspapers and magazine, for the names of the holy book in front of superlative degree. A or an is never used in front of these things. Okay. See, it's very easy to remember. For the names of the mountain, from mountain river flows, river goes and merges in the sea, sea then goes and merges in the ocean. So this thing is very easy. And one more thing, for the names of the direction, north, south, east, west. However, it's not mentioned here. I have not written that. But you can make a point of that. For the names of the newspapers and magazines also you can use this. For example, for the names of the mountain, the Himalaya, the Alps, the Vindhyas. For the names of the river, the Ganges, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra. Okay. For the names of the sea, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Mediterranean Sea. For the names of the ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, for the names of the newspapers and magazine, the Deccan Herald, the Times of India, okay, the Hindu. So the article is used. For the names of the holy books, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, etc. And finally, for degrees of comparison, it is superlative degree. The youngest, the best, the wise, okay, the oldest. So for the degrees of comparison, if you remember degrees of comparison, positive, comparative, superlative degrees. So the is an article where we are supposed to use for superlative degrees. For the third condition, we are supposed to use the only. We are not supposed to use either a or an. A mountain we never tell, the mountain, it is in particular. So we are supposed to use this in, okay, articles there. Now certain examples, okay, we can notice here. Some of the examples of a or an are a, an and the. A boy, so you can just refer to this colorings here. A boy, b is a consonant sound. An apple, e is a vowel letter, but still sound pronunciation is a. Okay. See, in a vernacular language, we have certain symbols, isn't it? We call it as, in Kannada, we call it as Kagunita. In English, in Hindi also, we call as Varnakshara or Aksharmala or Kagunita. Okay, so in this we can just have a look at these letters. So that letters is used as we pronounce. So you can take the help of these letters and you can just work out there. Apple, ಅಥವಾ A pronunciation is there, but E letter is written. We never tell it as elephant, do we? No, it is called as elephant. The E letter is pronounced, but still A alphabet is being pronounced there. We are supposed to use this as vowel forms. Then A house. Okay, so dash house, A house. H is a consonant sound. Then an umbrella. We never tell it as umbrella. We tell it as umbrella. Though letter U is written, pronunciation is A. So A pronunciation is written means it is called as umbrella. A is also a vowel form, since we are written as an. Dash MLA, MLA, M. A pronunciation is there. A pronunciation is there. So we have written as an. But when it is expanded, member of legislative assembly, member, ma pronunciation is a consonant sound, whence we have to put a member of legislative assembly. But when it is in a small form, we are supposed to use as MLA, an MLA. Then dash boy, the boy. The same things what we are using in A or an, the same things can be used as the also, but the condition in A or an is indefinite. We do not know who it is all about. For the first time we are being introduced. But on the contrary, the is used for definitely. If you are speaking for that particular boy, we use as the boy. That particular elephant, the elephant. That particular house, the house. That particular umbrella, the umbrella. That particular MLA, the MLA. So these are certain examples that we can quote here. Then you can see a note that I have written. So I'll just read this note for you. In these two columns, for example, the same examples are selected, but when it is used for the first time, it is used as indefinite or not particular. We use A or an depending on the consonants and vowel sounds. That's exactly what I have told now or explained now. See, the column 1 and column 2, A or an is used in column 1, the is used in column 2. What I am trying to tell is, if you are not particular about somebody or something, we use as A or an depending on the sound pronunciation of consonants and vowels. On the contrary, the is used for particular person or name of certain things. Okay. On the other hand, when it is used for the second time, it becomes definite. See, second time is the second column here. Okay, that is definite article. But only when it becomes definite, we are supposed to use this article, the. Article, okay, the third point. These points are for these things that I have given. See, I had just shown you these examples, isn't it? So this is point 1, point 2, point 3. Now this is an elaboration for point 3. The articles used for certain conditions like names of the mountain, names of the sea, names of the ocean, names of the newspapers and magazine, holy books, superlative degrees are the conditions where we are supposed to use the only. We are not supposed to use A or an. I hope this short video of article is quite informative for you. I hope it is quite easy for you to understand articles in a better way. So articles is a small concept but a huge concept to understand and comprehend and make in use of it in other words, implement it in a better way. So I hope the video is beneficial. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye.